Tired all the time? Dragging through your day no matter how much sleep you get? Feeling foggy, low energy, or just off, and no one can explain why? Here's what most people overlook. One simple vitamin deficiency could be the reason you feel exhausted. And fixing it might change everything. Welcome to Healscape BDS, where we get to the root of your symptoms and help you feel like you again. If you've tried sleep hacks, caffeine, even exercise, but your energy's still low, it's time to look deeper. Today, we reveal the one vitamin your body might be screaming for, and how to restore your energy, clarity, and motivation naturally. The vitamin? B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for red blood cell production, brain and nerve function, energy metabolism, mood and memory regulation. Without enough B12, your cells can't create energy properly, no matter how much rest you get. And here's the kicker. B12 deficiency is wildly underdiagnosed. Signs of low B12. Think you might be low? Watch for constant fatigue or brain fog, feeling weak or lightheaded, numbness or tingling in hands, feet, mood swings, anxiety or irritability, pale skin, dark circles under eyes, low motivation or poor memory. You don't need all of these. Even 2 or 3 may point to B12 issues, especially if you're vegan or over 40. Who's at risk for B12 deficiency? Vegans or vegetarians, B12 is found in animal products. People over 40, absorption naturally declines with age. People on acid blockers or metformin. Those with digestive issues like IBS, celiac, Crohn's. People who drink alcohol frequently. Even if you eat well, your body might not absorb B12 efficiently. What B12 does for energy and brain power? B12 helps your body convert food into usable energy, produce serotonin and dopamine, mood plus motivation, create protective nerve coverings, myelin, oxygenate tissues and brain cells. Without it, your brain and body are literally starved for fuel. Supplementing B12 has been shown to improve fatigue, focus, and mood, especially in people who were low and didn't know it. How to boost your B12 levels. 1. Test first. Ask your doctor for a serum B12 test. Ideal range, 500 to 1000 pgcl. 2. Supplement wisely. Use methylcobalamin, the active form, better than cyanocobalamin. Sublingual B12 such sprays or injections absorb better than pills. 3. Add more B12-rich foods. Salmon, eggs, beef liver, sardines, dairy, or fortified plant-based milks. If you're vegan, 4. Support absorption. Take B12 with folate and B6 for better results. Fix gut issues that block absorption. Other nutrients that work with B12. B12 works best in a team. Iron. Low iron can mimic B12 deficiency. Vitamin D supports energy and mood. Magnesium helps calm the nervous system. Folate, B9, works with B12 for red blood cell production. This is why fatigue often comes from multiple low nutrients, not just one. If you've been feeling tired for no reason, foggy, unmotivated, or just not yourself, don't ignore it. Don't just push through. Test your B12, rebuild your energy, and give your body what it's missing. Comment below. Have you ever checked your B12 levels or tried B12 supplements? Like this video if you're ready to fight fatigue from the inside out. Subscribe to Healscape BDS for more smart, natural ways to restore your energy and health.